He believes that one day all of us may become pigeons or cats or anything. He loved birds. He had 2 birds in his apartment. He was in love with Mr. Isaac Bashevis singer. If you are not connected to his writing, you are out of his picture. All his friends are editors, translators, provers, all kind of things like this. So once I started to translate him, I became part of the family. I didn't know it. He didn't know it either. When he asked me I asked him, why did you ask me to translate your stuff? He said, I don't know. I just throw it out. A lot of things he throws out, and afterwards things are changing.